Negros is a large island in the Visayas, the island group comprising the central division of the Philippines. For centuries, Negros has been an important center of sugar production and one of the country's most prosperous regions. It is also a home of many beaches, waterfalls, and some nature reserves, as well as the tallest peak of the Visayas, the Canlaon volcano. For today's video guys, I am going to share with you the 6 waterfalls found in Negros. Niludhan means kneeling. According to the locals, it is called Niludhan because the carabaos had to kneel when crossing the waters due to the rough earth at the top of the falls. Legend also has it that during the Japanese era, Filipinos were thrown by the soldiers over the falls. Niludhan Falls is located in Sitio Niludhan, Barangay Dawis, Bayawan City, Negros Oriental, Philippines. It is one of the Negros Island's natural attractions, lies hidden amidst forests and vast sugarcane plantations and agricultural lands. A river feeds the 25-meter wide waterfalls that ends on a 40-meter vertical drop, creating the magnificent Curtain Falls. You can witness and capture its full magnificence. During summer, the waterfalls could get sparse, but still equally stunning. Every angle of the falls is picture perfect amidst the blue skies, its turquoise basin, and the lush green vegetation surrounding the falls. On a clear sunny day, tiny rainbows are visible in the falls. Pulangbato Falls is located in the Ukay Valley in the town of Valencia, Negros Oriental, Philippines. It is known for its enchanting sight and refreshing waters. It is indeed a must-see attraction. In the dialect, Pula means red, while Bato means rock. So the name Pulangbato means red rock. True to its name, Pulangbato is indeed beautiful in red, as cool waters flow through the natural reddish rocks of the Red Rock Valley through the falls and river. The unusual beauty of Pulangbato Falls is perfect for those who would like to get a taste of what nature has to offer. It is one of the most visited tourist spots in the municipality of Valencia, with a staggering 30-feet waterfall in the appealing red rocks surrounding natural beauty. Pulangbato Falls is surely one place you shouldn't miss. It's truly interesting with its color of red. Obviously, it is not the water that is red. Rather, it is the sulfur deposits that cover the wall of the waterfalls, making it appear red or orange in color. Despite the presence of sulfur, the water is safe for bathing. The site of Pulangbato Falls is surrounded by the red rocks and thick green forestry that is so picture perfect. The location of falls is far enough from the main town of Valencia, making it a calming place to relax. Like many other waterfalls, swimming lagoons and pools in the town of Valencia, Pulangbato Falls is blessed with calm and refreshing waters. Also, there are two sets of man-made pool that can be both enjoyed by children and adults. Plus, a small snack bar is open to serving. The municipality of Valencia in Negros Oriental is known throughout the region for being progressive. Valencia can offer more than you can imagine, like this hidden treasure waterfalls. Surely it will give you a thrill like no other. And here are some of the things to do at the Pulangbato Falls with your friends and family when you visit. 1. Dine with the steady rhythm of the falls as your background music. 2. Swim with the cool water of the falls. 3. Jump off waterfall cliffs. If you're a fanatic of jumping off cliffs to feel the rush of excitement, then visiting Pulangbato Falls is a great choice. The falls are perfect for this and for sure you wouldn't be disappointed. And lastly, take remarkable photos. As the place is developed and pretty much well maintained, there are plenty of photo opportunities here. Many people are still unaware of the beauty that hides within Sitio Duganon in Barangay Oringao, Cabancalan City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. We will discover another beautiful destination that you must not miss out. Let's explore! Welcome to Mag-aso Falls. As you enter, you will see the swimming pool. The water of the swimming pool comes directly from the falls. If you have kids with you on your trip, swimming here is a better choice. The water is shallow and you can have easy access to the cottages. Reminder only guys that wearing of inappropriate swimming wear is not allowed in the swimming pool. If your intention is to stay for a while, you can rent their shelter options. You can rent their cottages and overnight rooms. If you are visiting during the summer, overnight rooms should be booked ahead of time since the place is becoming a famous spot to visit. This is the enchanted and beautiful Mag-aso Falls. The waterfall's name, Mag-aso, originated from the Hiligaynon word aso, which actually means smoke. Wondering why smoke? It is because the falls, with a height of 8 meters, create smoke after it falls. Its powdery blue waters is one of the major reasons why a lot of people have started to take notice of it. Actually guys, there are many mini falls around the area. This is the highlight of the place, the Magus Falls. The blue water and the smoke-like mist from the falls give a spectacular view. The place has also a viewing deck where you can enjoy the beautiful scenery and the peaceful ambience. The resort is owned by the government, so its prices are sure to make your pockets happy. The entrance fee to see these wonderful waterfalls is only 50 pesos per person, and that price can even be lowered if you're a student or a senior citizen. Be amazed of the scenic view of the green mountains and cascading waterfalls. You will also get to see a wide variety of plants when exploring the virgin forest. If you're a nature lover, then this is the right place for you. Locarlota City is known for its mountain and spring resort concealed with majestic waterfalls that surround the area. These waterfalls can be found in Sitio Guintubdan, Barangay Aral, Locarlota City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Surely you will be amazed because we visited 3 waterfalls in a day. First, we went to Busay. It is the prime waterfall of Guintubdan, where its deepest point is 32 feet. Travelers and adventurers are not allowed to swim here due to its heavy current. Busay was one of the unique waterfalls I'd been to because of the big and wide rocks covering the waterfall. So in this area, you can enjoy watching the rock formations and the cool atmosphere. And of course, let's not forget to take remarkable photos. The second waterfall is the Busay Abaga. It is a 10-minute walk from Busay. It's recommended to swim here since the deepest point is only 7 feet. It's another unique and beautiful waterfall I've been to because of the thick moss covering the area. It's a paradise for me. Oops, but lesser moss during summer. You can also climb up the second level, but make sure to be safe. It's slippery. And watch out the current of the water. Again, don't forget to take remarkable photos. By the way, fellow travelers and adventurers, Guintubdan Mountain Resort is open to all. It is a government-owned ecological tourism resort. You could trudge the virgin forest, be captivated in the exquisiteness of the area flowers, plunge in the coolness of the spring water and falls. It's perfect for family getaways, relaxation, and rekindling with nature. Travelers can hike and be thrilled with the unusual and exciting adventures that await them. Before we proceed to the last waterfalls, we decided to take some rest in the viewing deck. The site is so relaxing, and we enjoyed a lot the scenic view. If you are looking for a place of peace for reflection, then this is the right place for you. Okay, let's go! It is called Busay Kapid. In English, it is literally means twin falls. It is so beautiful and amazing. Many travelers and adventurers who want to have a closer look are willing to trek longer just to reach it. It can be hard reaching the falls, so we need to visit during good weather. During our trek, near the moment we passed through an open area as the trail runs entirely on a beautiful dense tropical forest with the river crossing. Steepness of the trail was difficult for me, but it's all worth it. Enjoy the falls and don't forget to take remarkable photos.